Libra, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin what's coming to you in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Libra. What's coming to you in the next 7 days? Wow, poised. Parang meron kang pinaghahandaan. This can be an event sa family. May binibili ka ngayong magandang damit for an event. Maaring yung mga mag-graduate dyan. O kaya naman, inaayos mo yung iyong pagpipresenta ng iyong sarili. This is also being confident in your body, being confident in yourself. You have higher power. So, ito ay yung inyong instinct, no? Intuition, yung third eye. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong psychic gifts. Yung psychic gifts na ito ay malaking tulong to sa mga desisyon na gagawin nyo or sa mga landas na tatahakin nyo moving forward. You have come to the edge. So, this is taking a risk. Paglalakas ng loob na mag-explore ng mga bagay na hindi ka pa pamilyar pero interesado ka. You also have community. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaaring magiging part kayo ng isang community, ng isang grupo. Can be sa online group or can be face-to-face group. Maari ring mas uunlad, no, yung iyong community. Lalo na kung ikaw ay isang content creator or isa kang social media influencer. I also see na yung iba sa inyo meron kayong a-attend kayo sa isang event na tumutulong sa community. Parang siya, charitable work. Or isang charitable institution, you're going to be a part of that. Meron ding meeting. So, maaring may importanteng meeting kang a-attenan. You have the 7 of Cups and the Tower. Wow. May mga bagay na confused ka kung gagawin mo ba o hindi. And kapag confused ka sa isang bagay, isang sitwasyon, senyales yan na hindi ka pa ready. It's either hindi ka pa ready or it's not for you or hindi mo pa napaghahandaan. You also have the Page of Pentacles, which is learning new things. This makes sense, no? Kasi kung di ka pa handa sa isang bagay, i-open mo yung sarili mo for learning, for new experiences, para ma-prepare mo yung sarili mo. Meron kang maaari kasing maraming options around you, maraming mga potential na pwede mong i-pursue. I think, somehow magkakaroon ka ng clarity dito kung alin yung makakabuti for you kasi with the higher power here, yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo, psychic abilities mo, tutulong yan para magkaroon ka ng clarity. Pwede kasing meron kang hindi nile-let go no? So, sabi nga, paano may darating na bagong opportunity sa'yo kung may mga bagay na you are still holding on to it na kailangan mo nang i-let go. Let's see what else. Page of Wands. Oh, merong adventure. May travel opportunities or exploration na gagawin ninyo. Some of you, ito ay pag-abroad. Yung iba, maaaring gusto nyo mag-abroad or naguguluhan kayo kung ready na ba kayo na magtrabaho sa ibang bansa. So, you will have to identify kung ano yung gusto mo mangyari sa'yo like 5 years from now and plan everything ahead. Pero alam naman natin na mahirap rin planuhin kasi anything can happen. But at least, meron kang guide, no? Kung ano yung step by step na gagawin mo towards your goals. Kasi mahirap din pag walang goal ang isang tao kasi parang wala. Kung saan lang, ano na lang, 'di ba? Oo. So, at least kung may goal ka, mamomonitor mo yung progress mo, kung may nagbabago ba, kung umuunlad ba, kung malapit ka na ba dun sa lugar na yun, malapit mo na bang maabot yung goal mo na yon. Kasi meron ditong pag-unlad, there is expansion. So, maaring iba sa inyo, meron kang lilipatang work or papasuking bagong negosyo at iiwanan mo yung trabaho mo for this. Uy, wow! You have the 6 of Wands. This is going to be successful para sa inyo. Oh. This is working, collaborating with others. Working with others. I think you are going to be more popular. Meron ditong fame energy, popularity, and this is recognition. So, yung iba sa inyo maaring merong a-attendan na event na it's either ikaw yung i-recognize or isang family member yung i-recognize. Let's say, a-attend ka ng graduation ceremony ng kapatid mo, na anak mo, or ikaw yung may graduation ceremony na i-acknowledge yung galing mo, yung talents mo, and skills mo. Pag sa trabaho naman to, maaring may award ka na marireceive regarding your performance sa trabaho. And it will open more opportunities para sa'yo. So, at least mas marami kang option ngayon. Wow, you have the World. This is culmination. This is completing a cycle or completing a chapter in your life. So, some of you merong new beginnings rito. May mga bagay na nagtatapos na because hanggang doon na lang talaga. Okay? This can be a job or a career path na tinanay mong i-pursue, but if you feel like parang dinadala ka sa ibang direction ngayon eh. Oo. And this is going to be successful for you. Meron kang achievement. Yung iba rito, abroad or international clients or meron kang international business online. Some of you may feel frustration sa mga bagong simula na sinusubukan ninyo. Kasi maaring sa una, parang may mga problemang dumarating or aberya, no? Normal naman yan sa mga bagay na nagsisimula sa buhay natin. Let's say, may bago kang business. Siyempre, kaka-launch mo pa lang and ngayon mo pa lang natatry. Lalabas at lalabas dyan yung mga potential na problema or issue. At gamitin mo siya as your learning opportunity. Kasi sa mga challenges naman, ayan yung chance natin na matuto. To be a better version of yourself. Napakalaking tulong ng mga taong nakasuporta sa'yo. Kasi yung mga bagay na pinoproblema mo, sila rin yung tutulong sa'yo. If yung iba sa inyo na promote, maaaring kung kayo ay may hinahawakan na ng mga tao, no? Meron kayo minamanage na tao, pwedeng merong isang person dyan na mahirapan ka na kontrolin or i-manage. This can be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But you know what? Malaking tulong for you yung nagkakaroon ka ng peace of mind through your activities na kung saan nagre-release ka ng stress. So, ano ba yung mga activities na yon? So, pwedeng relaxing, meditation, self-reflection, yung pagpapahinga talaga. Some of you ay papasok sa isang kontrata. So, itong kontrata na to, pwede itong romantic na kontrata, but for most of you, nakikita ko rito, this is about a business or like an agreement with someone. Self-reliance. Some of you are independent. Let's see. Yung iba naman, kung kayo expert na sa isang field, meron kayong, i-share ninyo yung talento nyo. Uy, kalmahan nyo lang daw. Oh. A breakdown is often followed by a breakthrough. Remain calm. Yes. Growth. So, may pag-unlad. Evolution starts when you leave your comfort zone. Get comfortable with being uncomfortable. So, meron kang iiwanan na comfort zone mo dahil it's time to explore, take a risk, try new things, and be more successful. love. Love people, love them with all your heart. Just be sure to love yourself first. Yes, pagmamahal sa ating sarili, hindi naman yan selfishness, but you are nurturing what your needs are. Kung ano ba yung needs mo, ano pangangailangan mo. Kasi kung buo ka, mahal mo yung sarili mo, o mas malaki yung puso mo na mahalin ng iba. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.